Hey guys, well, it's August 1st, and you know what that means, right? It means that it's time to announce the winners in the MH Tutorials 3D Modeling Challenge sponsored by Dogwood Gaming. Now, we got a cool lineup, and before we get into that, I want to let you guys know that the next 3D Modeling Challenge will be announced on this channel on September 1st. So if you're not subscribed, please do, so you certainly don't miss that one. It's going to be the biggest ever, all right? So let's jump into the score. Here we go.